Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how to perform unbound action for granting the row level access in the Dataverse. So let's see. Let's go to the Power Apps. Okay, so this is my solution. In this, we have the two user. Okay, who is the super admin, and second one is the normal user. We have the one custom table, given name to that task, and we have one cloud flow that will help us to share that record with that user. And we have one modern app. You can take any canvas app or anyone. Okay, we are using trigger here of power automate. If you see here, so we are using the trigger of power automate when row is added or modified. Only the assign two column. In that case, we are performing this action. So let's I first showcase you how it's work. Okay, so let's I create one record. Let's task ID is auto generated. Let's I give here assign to name. Okay, so currently assigning this to myself. Okay, Ravindra Sadhu. Okay, and click on save and close. So if you see, I just fill this. Okay, number 111 and it is assigned to me. Let's see the other user as he can able to view or not. So let's we go in the app sections. Let's first I share the link of this app to that user so he can play that. Let's I copy, minimizing this on the play mode. Let's we paste this. It's loading now. So our app is present. Okay, so if you see here, okay, we not have that task ID associated with me. I am not able to view. Okay, so let's I go and assign that task to myself. Okay, from my original account, that is Ravindra Jadhav. Okay, so let's I change the assign to column here to the test user one and click on here save and close. So on the background my flow is run. Okay, in the front end I able to see that record. Let's I go to the test overall. Okay, and let's I do the hard refresh here one more time. Let's see what's happened. So that record is visible. If you see, the my account is test user one. Okay, and I can able to view this record, and I also can easily perform the operations. Okay, let's I make it this, and let's click on the save and close. So if you see, I have properly. So let's we go and see in this application as well. Let's I do here hard refresh one more time. So it is changed. You can see. Let's see how to create Power Automate flow. So for this purpose, I just use here trigger. Okay, change added or modified, given table name. Scope is organization level, means whoever is perform that action. Okay, means super admin. So he can able to do that. Okay, and assign to, if this column is changed, in that case only our flow should run. Okay, and now we have the perform unbound action. So this is the important action. Let us zoom it little bit so you can view. So user perform unbound action. We are using action is grant access. In the grant access, we have to pass this JSON object. Okay. So whatever access you have to give, so you need to pass that read access, write access, append access, and append to access I want to give. So I just pass this all these things. Okay. If you have to give the delete and other things, you can pass it here. Then in the principal one, we will use the system user ID whom we need to assign that task. Okay, that geo ID we need. So in our lookup column, only the user's ID is present. So I using from the trigger output. You can take it from there itself. Okay, where whom you need to share this. Okay, and here I using the double at the rate symbol because we are passing the multiple accesses. Okay, read write, so that's why we need to give here double sign. Okay, at the rate. If we have the single, in that case we you can use the single one as well. And for the target one also, we are passing the double at the rate sign because we have to send the two dot perform the multiple accesses we have to give to the user. Okay, and here we have the same Microsoft Dynamics CRM dot your table name. My table name is sh underscore task, and here the task record ID. Okay, unique identifier you have to give here. Okay, if I hover on that, you can see this is an unique identifier of that table. Okay, so let's I go and showcase you the security roles as well, what security roles we have. Okay, for normal user I will showcase you user level privileges you need to give to that user. If it is loading task, so if you see user level privileges I have given to that table, so means whenever that task is assigned to that user, in that case he can able to perform the operations only. Delete operation I just cancel it here, so he cannot able to delete the records as well, the normal user. That's all friends, I hope you learn something new. If you have any questions, any doubt related to this topic, please let me know in the comment box. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Have a nice day too.